Hey guys, this is Xavier here, and this is a review of the FCI-MS2. The FCI-MS2 takes the FCI-PK625 key, as noted right here. This is my sixth attempt at this video. Okay, so to activate the alarm, all you do is you lift this cover and then you pull straight down. To reset it, you would have to turn the key, which is extremely hard. So I'm going to attempt to do it with one hand here. Okay, there. Ah, dang it. Okay, I got it. Okay, it says right here the switch must be reset manually because it does do damage to the pulse station over here. And what I personally think is this is perfectly working. I got it for $12 because I think it's a problem with the key switch or the key lock. I think someone must. It's either that or they do like a renovation or whatever. But if they had to remove this, I would say it'd be because of the key lock. Just because the key lock is so tough. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's the one thing I do like about this pulse station. It says fire on every side that you look at it. Fire, and it is so simple to hook up 2 wires. Okay. If you guys would like to see more videos, more review videos of pulse stations and alarms, please leave a comment down below, or a like. Please leave a like and a comment down below. I just want to give a big thanks to Exitsign250. Yeah. His channel link is going to be down in the description below. And yeah. So thanks for watching. And you guys did see a new intro that I actually made. Yeah. So also, by the way, I figured out this from another YouTuber. I don't remember his name. But if you open up the pulse station and close it and turn the key, hold on one second. A little went dope before. Okay, you can actually make it single action. See, just pull. Now it's not like the MS6. Oh, one second. I'm sorry, it's so hard to reset. The MS6. Here, I'm going to do a simulation of the MS6. Is where you would pull down all the way. The FCI-MS2 only pulls down about a quarter of the way. Okay. So yeah. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything else, leave it down in the description below. Or the comments in the description. Please check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later. Goodbye.